Pasko. P, pasok Kristo sa puso. Kung ikaw kasala, wala Kristo sa puso. Paano pasok Kristo sa puso? Make a good confession. A, atras bisyo. Dasal ka ng dasal, matapang ka pa rin, masungit ka pa rin, chismosa ka pa rin, mataray ka pa rin, kapag sarili ka pa rin. Lord, tanggalin po niyo ang aking mga bisyo. S, samba tayo. Extra prayers, extra visit to the Blessed Sacrament. You do the extra mile to give an extra smile for the Lord. K, kalat bango. To smile at people, to bow at people, acknowledge the presence of people. O, ora mismo. Now na. If you want to have peace, if you're at peace with God, if you're at peace when you can say, I did everything, kahit papano, I tried my best, peace is upon you. Take the road of peace.